Hi everyone, Dr. Carrie Scarff here again. Today we're going to talk about what to do if your rechargeable hearing aids stop working. The first step is to make sure that you have already checked your earpiece and your filter and make sure that they're free of wax and debris. And I've talked about that in another video that I posted on our YouTube and on our website. If that's already been looked at and taken care of, then the next step is to, first of all, look at the contacts on the hearing aid, on the underside of the hearing aid. So you'll see two little silver points, and I'd like you to use a microfiber cloth to just wipe those off gently. So that's step one of checking your rechargeable connection. Step two is actually to look at the contacts in the charging system itself. So you want to use your microfiber cloth again, and you can use the end of a pen or a pencil and just gently push that in there and just move it around a little bit to clean off those contacts. That's step two. And then finally, it's a good idea to consult your rechargeable troubleshooting guide if you're still having problems. Sometimes what happens when we're wearing our hearing aids is we'll press one of the buttons for a little bit too long and we actually inadvertently put the hearing aids into a deep sleep or stock mode. In order to get it out, we're going to want to press and hold the button on your hearing aid for 11 seconds and then pop your hearing aid into your recharger for about 30 seconds. And hopefully you'll see the light start to flash shortly thereafter, which tells you that everything in your charging system is working. If you continue to have problems, please do look on our website, look on our YouTube landing page for more videos. And if all else fails, you can certainly email us or contact us at info@audiologyinnovations.ca. Thanks very much and stay healthy.